Charitable organizations established in England on the pretext of supporting children had a terrifying difference from other charities. They sent children aged 6 to 10 to factories at low prices. Here's what happened. Around the year 1800, as Europeans amassed incredible wealth through colonialism, they decided to use this money to multiply the number of factories. The problem was that they didn't know where to find cheap labor. So, some factory owners wrote to the British government saying that they could no longer pay taxes due to their financial situation. The British government replied that it was no problem. They should use children to reduce their costs. The factory owners, delighted with this suggestion, found no better option than to exploit orphan children who had no one to defend them and didn't demand much in wages. The nutritional situation of these children in the charities was so dire that they were sometimes willing to work up to 12 hours for a few meals a day. This was the best-case scenario, as some factories didn't even provide that and made the children work up to 18 hours just for one meal, in rooms with windows and doors always shut. The children would fall ill from inhaling dust, and often they would fall asleep by the machines from exhaustion, losing their fingers in the process. If anyone complained, they were told to be quiet or their situation would become even worse.